Hello store owners! Today, I'm walking you through every single way to set wholesale pricing. Right now, I'm browsing my shop as one of my wholesale customers, and you can see each product already showing its own wholesale price. Let's dig into all the pricing tools you have. First up, the broadest tool, a user-level percentage discount. I'll head straight into the wholesale settings and open the discount tab. This general discount applies one flat percentage to an entire wholesale roll. You can see my wholesale customers already get 10% off, and it kicks in whenever a product has no wholesale price of its own. Staying right on this page, if I scroll down a little, I reach the general quantity-based discounts. These reward a whole wholesale roll for buying in bulk. You set a starting quantity, an ending quantity, and the percentage off for that tier. So bigger orders unlock bigger savings. Now the most precise tool, pricing an individual product. I'll open my beanie, which normally retails for $20. Down in the wholesale prices section, with the discount type set to fixed, I just type the exact price my wholesale customers pay. Let's make it $16. Remember, the product must have a regular price for this to work. Then I'll hit update. Prefer to think in percentages? Just switch that discount type drop down over to percentage. And instead of a fixed price, you enter a percentage of the regular price. It's the exact same idea, only proportional to each product. You can even set quantity-based pricing on one single product. Scroll further down to product quantity-based wholesale pricing, and here you can give this specific item its own bulk discount tiers. Different prices as the order quantity climbs. And for variable products, you can price every variation on its own. Here's my canvas sneakers. I'll open the variations tab, expand the size, and you'll find the very same controls. A discount type and a wholesale price, dedicated to that one variation. So that's the full toolkit in the backend. Row level percentages, general and per product quantity discounts, fixed and percentage pricing on individual products, and control right down to each variation. Now let me show you what all of this actually looks like for the customer. Here's my Canvas sneakers product page, seen through my wholesale customer's eyes. The moment they pick a size, the wholesale price kicks in automatically. And there's the saving 10% off right on the variation. That's your complete wholesale pricing toolkit. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.